Let's see how to prepare the top 3 best home remedies made with onions to promote hair growth and stop hair loss. Number 1. Onion juice scalp soaking solution. For this remedy, you will need 1 onion, 2 spoons of olive oil, or another of the oils mentioned in the end of this video, and a blender or juicer. How to prepare this remedy. 1. Chop the onion into smaller pieces and toss everything into a blender. 2. Add the 2 spoons of olive oil and blend everything into a fine paste. As you can see in the video, you can add a little bit of water if the paste you got is still a bit dry. 3. Then place the pulp in a cloth and squeeze out as much juice as possible. 4. Massage the juice into your hair, concentrating on the roots and the scalp. 5. Keep it on for 30 to 45 minutes and wash it off with an organic shampoo. This treatment should be used 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Onion juice and coconut oil remedy. You will need 1 onion, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, a few drops of essential oil of your choice. This is optional. How to prepare this remedy. 1. Chop the onion into smaller pieces and put them into a blender. 2. Then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and blend everything until you get a fine paste. Also, in this case, you can add a little bit of water if the paste you got is still a bit dry. Pour a few drops of essential oil to the mixture. This step is optional, but essential oils help mask the strong odor of the onion. 3. Massage the mixture into the scalp and keep for 1 to 2 hours. 4. Rinse off the juice using shampoo and warm water. This mask should be used on alternate days or 4 days a week. 3. Onion juice and honey hair mask. Honey, with its strong antioxidant properties, has germicidal and fungicidal properties, as well as natural wax, making it a great helping stopping hair loss. For this remedy, you will need 1 big onion, 2 tablespoons honey. How to prepare this remedy. 1. Chop the onion into smaller pieces and put them into a blender. 2. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey and blend everything until you get a fine paste. Again, you can add a little bit of water if the paste you got is still a bit dry. 3. Pour the mixture into a bowl or plate and then apply it to your scalp. Massage until complete absorption. Keep it on for 15 minutes, then shampoo thoroughly to get rid of all traces of the paste. As for the other 2, use this remedy 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, for example. Let's come now to the most asked questions section of this video. Can onion juice be mixed with other oils? The answer is yes. Onion juice can be successfully mixed with coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, amla oil, olive oil, chili oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, pomegranate seed oil, shea butter oil, avocado oil, and canola oil. How long does it take to see results? It takes an average of 2 to 3 months using the oil for 3 times a week on alternate days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, for example. Can I keep the onion mask on my head the entire night and wash it off in the morning? We recommend keeping the onion mask on your scalp for maximum 1 hour, then use a good shampoo to rinse it off. Keeping it for longer may irritate your scalp. You can try to keep it for 2 hours and see the reaction of your skin. If you see that your skin has good onion tolerance, then you can keep it on for longer. Can I use it every day? You can, but the recommended way is 3, maximum 4 days a week. Onion is very smelly on my hair. What can I do to avoid the smell? You should use a good organic shampoo to wash your hair, and then rinse it with a mixture of organic apple cider vinegar and hot water, with a few drops of lemon juice and some drops of good essential oil, such as lavender or rosemary oil. That will do the trick. Is it good to mix onion juice and shampoo together? No, I wouldn't recommend that. Keep the 2 things separate. Use the shampoo to rinse off the onion juice from your head. What time of the day is best to do this? Morning, nighttime, before bed? It doesn't matter, whenever you have time. Can I apply onion juice on oily hair? Yes, you can. If you intend to apply it directly on your scalp, make sure your scalp is not oily though. Will this treatment regrow my hairline? There are people who reported real hair regrowth with this treatment. It may work for you as well. Try it and report your results in the comments section. How long can I keep the mixture in the fridge for later use? If you do a bigger portion and you intend to use it in the following days, you can store the mixture in a glass bottle for up to 3 days. I don't recommend to keep it longer than that. As the time passes, it will tend to lose its properties. Okay, so these were the most asked questions. Before applying any mask, first you need to test it on a small area of skin on your arm. Since it's possible this combination of products or single part can provoke strong allergic reaction. If you feel a burning sensation and excessive scratching, keep away from using onion juice on scalp.